But why can't you tidy up?
I can tidy up easily with Mama, but
But Mama was not playing.
Mama was just tidying up with me. That's why you have to help me how to do it.
No, but Mama was not playing with the little blocks. Now you have to tidy up your own room.
And Mama, just don't do that.
What I am doing, I am requesting you to tidy up your room. Don't shush me up, please. No, you have to do it, Gudda.
No!
You will have to do it.
No!
Why?
Loud. And then I'll scare Papa, okay? Why did you do it?
Why are you scaring me? I'm just requesting you to clean up all the mess you have made.
Even Mama has to do it.
Mama will not do it, I'm sorry. Because she was not
Don't
playing with
she?
the blocks.
I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
I'm actually I'm sorry. I'm so sorry to not clean up.
Why are you so sorry to not clean up? You can just get up and clean up.
I'm sorry.
Okay, you tell me one thing. Who was playing with it? Who was playing with it?
You and me.
Who was playing with it? I was not playing with you this time.
No. Only Mama was tidying up with me. So why can't you just say that I'm going to tidy up with Mama?
Well, I have already decided. I am requesting you to clean the room right away.
I'm sorry. I can't.
No, you can. You can.
I'm sorry.
You actually can. You just have to get up and start cleaning it. See what all mess you have made. See? All the little blocks and the big blocks. Now who will clean all this?
Yim Yim, Papa and Mama.
Why should I do it?
Because we have to all tidy up this mess. I will tidy the little blocks and you and Mama can tidy up the big box. And it will be a good idea to do it.
Pakka?
Pukka.
You promise to clean up the mess if I help you with the big blocks.
Yes.
Okay, now
With Mama.
let's get down. Aja, aja. Let's start cleaning the blocks.
First Mama will come. And then I will slowly do it.
Till that time you will not do it. Okay, let's wait for Mama. But you promise to clean up, right?
Okay.
Pakka? Say promise, I promise.
Only I can clean up. Only Yim Yim will clean up with Papa and Mama.
Pakka?
Pukka.
You promise?
That's why I promise. That's why I promise. And I'm sorry to not clean up my own.
Use your